Hey everyone, welcome to our channel AllTechQueries, a YouTube channel where you'll find solutions for all your technical queries. So today's our topic is how to see word count on Google Docs. So lately several users have been shifting from MS Office to Google Suite because Google Suite is offering advanced features. However, some new users are finding it difficult to access some features and understand Google Suite properly. So lately some people have been asking me how to see word count on Google Docs. So let me examine the issue here. So this is our MS Word. So if you click on the document, you can see how many words are there in this document. So it comes in very handy for several users to know how many words are there in this document. If you see in Google Docs, there is no such options because Google has removed the status bar and it has make this workspace very spacious for the users. So it's not like Google doesn't have the option, it has the option, but the option is hidden under this menu. So let me show you how to see word count on Google Docs. So before we start our video, please click on the like button and keep supporting us by subscribing to our channel. So let's begin. So here is our Google Docs. Now go to this tools menu and click on the word count. So here is also a shortcut, Control Shift and C. You can use this shortcut as well, and when you click on the word count, a small window will appear, and here you are going to see how many pages are there in this document, how many words are there in this document, how many characters, and characters excluding spaces. So all this information is here in this tools menu. So if you want to display it here, you need to check this option, display word count while typing, and click on OK. So it will always be available here, as you can see. So if you keep typing here, the word count keeps updating here, right? So if you want to remove this, if you want to keep your workspace clean, you can hide this word count as well. And there is one more thing, if you select, you can also see how many words are there in a paragraph or in a selected text. So I am selecting this much text and I want to know how many words are this. So if you enable the option, you can see it right here, okay? And if you click on it, you will see some advanced things, okay? So how many pages have you selected? 1. How many words have you selected? 106. And the total words are 3 to 60. And these many are characters you have selected, and these are the total number of characters. So these are some advanced things. So if you want to hide it, you can hide it from here, and if you again select the text and click on word count, you will get a window with the same information, okay? So that's all for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, then click on the like button and please keep supporting us by subscribing to our channel, and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever we publish such tech related informative videos. Thank you for watching.